Hello students, good morning. Welcome to the class on personality development and communication skill. I, Professor Priyadarshini, I would like to discuss the introduction to PDCS today. Okay, in the present competitive scenario, it is very important for us to develop our personality or to develop or to involve in self improvement. What is self improvement? Self improvement or personality development is a way of upgrading, improving, raising our education. It is like learning or developing a new skill. If you must have seen many of your friends or your relatives, those who are stuck in life. When we see such people, it is clear that they have not worked on improving themselves, or they have not try to work hard on improving or developing their personality. Why is self improvement so important? Self improvement is very important, or personality development is very important, because it helps us to reach the goals which we have set for ourselves. Similarly, if we want to lead a happy or a successful life, or if we want to achieve the goals what we have set for ourselves, we need to continuously work hard and try to improve our personality. In order to improve our personality, first thing what we have to do is understand how our mind works. Most of the time, we are so engrossed in observing the behavior of others. We can easily analyze, we can find out the strengths and weakness of other individuals, but we never pay attention to work on our own personality, or we don't think of knowing our own self, that is understanding our own strengths and weaknesses, right? So when we realize that it is important for us to understand our own weaknesses or our own strengths, then only we can take a step for improving our personality. Most of the things, personality development, like most of the thing whatever we think is all because of the things what we put inside our head while going through schooling, when or higher education, or maybe for further education, when we meet different people. Through them, we receive many inputs about ourselves as well as the environment. These inputs which we put in our head is the basic reason which will help us to think, or on which the thoughts of our minds are based. Okay, so education, just because we complete our education, that does not mean that we know everything. In spite of completing education, we need to try hard or work hard on self improvement. If you observe adults, like if you see the adults only, most of the time it is the adults who face many problems in their life. It is not the school going kids. Why? Because adults feel that once the education is over, there is no need for them to put some extra efforts to improve their personality or improve themselves as to be a better human being. We see that many adults face problem with money, relationship, love, forgiveness, or how to run a business, or how to take care of themselves, right? Why do they face these problems? It is because we have not continually taken steps to develop ourselves. If we strive hard and continually take steps to develop ourselves, definitely we can lead a comfortable life. Okay, so let us now try to understand what is personality development. Personality development seems to be two letter word. One is personality, the other is development. Personality means it is a combination of qualities which makes unique from others. Or you can also say that personality refers to all the characteristics of an individual which are unique to him, or which makes him different from others. When we talk about personality, it is not only the external or the physical appearance of an individual, it also includes the inner qualities of an individual, like his intellectual ability, his ability to control emotions, his behavior, his thinking process. All these put together build a strong personality or a impressive personality. Okay, then development means changes. So personality development is a process which help us to enhance our quality so that we can be a better person. Now personality development is a tool which helps us to identify our strengths and weaknesses. It also helps us to eliminate bad quality in us, or the qualities which we want to completely eliminate from our personality. Personality development provides many tools to avoid the bad qualities from our life. It is like an umbrella which contains many concepts, tools, strategies, techniques which can be used to bring a positive impact in our life. It is a multi-dimensional tool which depends on how we accept it and transform our lives. Okay, so let us discuss the importance of personality development. If an individual pays attention towards improving himself or improving his own personality, what would be the benefits he would enjoy? The first thing is personality is a we know that personality is a multi-dimensional tool, right? It has a impact. Our personality has an impact on our professional as well as our personal lives. So therefore it is always very important to have a positive attitude in our life. To increase our personality development tools help us to increase our self confidence. This confidence is seen in the individual, on his face, in his behavior and communication. If you see this picture here, you can see it says that your confident speech reflects your confident personality, right? In the second picture you can see the people in a team. When you look at them, each one looks very happy, calm and uh, confident. His body posture or body language shows that they are confident people or confident individuals. So personality development helps us to have a confident personality, or it increases the confidence level of an individual. It brings in and a strong personality is one which is having inner confidence. Okay, they are always enthusiastic, they are ready to accept the challenges what they face, they are matured in handling their emotions. Okay, and they are calm and composed in their life. They are able to handle any hurdle which comes in their, either in their professional or in their personal life. The next important aspect of personality development is communication skills. If we want to have a strong personality, it is important for us to develop good communication skills. When I say good communication skills, that does not mean having or knowing only good English language. It is not about knowing English. Communication skills means it is the ability of a person to put forth what he is thinking, so that the other person who is talking to him understands it in the right way. Communication can be in any language, but the person who is communicating or passing on the information must be able to put forth the message or the information in a right way. Who is successful in doing so is said or is considered to be having a good communication skills. A person who lacks good communication skills usually does not respond but reacts. Okay, when most of the time we react rather than responding. When we respond negatively, it builds negativity in the mind of others and it creates stress. It not only creates negativity in the minds of others, but similarly, it also creates negativity in ourselves or in our personality, and it also leads to stress in our own thinking or thought process. So personality development helps us to learn new communication skill, how to speak to others, how to listen to others, or how to convert our reactions to responses, right? So therefore, when we are able to bring in all these improvements or changes, definitely our personality, uh, definitely it will bring in a positive impact in our lives. If you see the popular personalities like Amitabh Bachchan, Abdul Kalam, you will see them to be highly intellectual. The way they speak to others, they know how to respond to others, right? And the behavior, their body language is what makes them special or unique when compared to other people in the society. So in order to be successful, in order to reach all your dreams, in order to reach your goals, you have to constantly keep upgrading yourself or improving yourself as well as your communication skills. For that reason, this subject called as personality development and communication skills has been introduced in your syllabus. This subject will help you to know what are the reasons or how the personality of an individual is built, or what is the uh, reasons or what are the factors which influence the personality of an individual. We will study in this particular module. Say for example, the environment in which an individual is born and brought up has got a lot of influence in the personality development. The way how he thinks, the way how he behaves, the way how his lifestyle will all depend on the environment in which he has been brought up, okay, in which he has during his childhood days, how he has been brought up. So all these bases will have influence on the personality of individual. Then secondly, you will be studying about what is communication, what are the different types of communication, and what is body language. That also you will be studying in this particular subject. Similarly, you will also be studying how you would be facing interviews, different types of interviews, and leadership skills are also important. Why? Because in future when you complete your degree, you may be appointed as a manager, and under whom many people would be working. So you must be a successful manager. In order to be a successful manager, you should first understand your own strengths and weaknesses, and when you know your personality very well, that will in turn help you to understand others personality, and it will help you to encourage or motivate your team members in a right way, which will make you a popular leader or a successful leader. Okay, so you're going to study what is personality, the different theories of personality, what are the factors which influence personality. Then you will be studying about what is communication, different types of communication, how is it important, how to face the audience, then how to face interviews. Then you will be studying or discussing about leadership skills. So this all these things are there included in your modules related to personality development and communication skills. So with this I conclude today's session. We'll meet with the next module in the next class. Thank you.